Okay, so we're in short here today. Entry price 1172.25. I'm looking for a test down on the support. We took a 15 or so point run down this morning, and now we've tested back up about almost 10 points. Actually 10 points we've tested back up now. So we're looking for a quick continuation or retest to the low side on support. First target in at 71.25, which is 1 point. We were trading 5 contracts on 3 targets. So we will give this just a couple minutes here to develop. And this is our second trade for today. First trade was a smaller one, quick 5-minute trade. We were in and out with $150 in about 5 minutes. And this trade here, we are looking to hopefully do the same, if not better. Grab a few bucks. And that would probably be it for today. I don't take usually a lot more than 1 or 2 trades in a day. So we'll see what we get out of this one. We're pushing towards our first target now. Been in the trade for 2 minutes. So we will see. Hopefully this will take us the next minute or two on our first target, at which time we can bring our stops in to break even, lock in our profit, and then hopefully watch it run from there. In our direction, of course. Taking a few seconds to decide. Just move down one more tick here, and we can lock in our first target. Come on, take us. Let's go. Looks like it's taking its time here. It'll grab us though. A few more seconds.
Target filled.
And there we go. Hopefully we continue in. We're in here for about 4 or 5 minutes. Locked in $100 right now. Looking for our second target in at 70.75.
Target filled.
We're moving our third target down. We just got a good push there, so we've locked in $250 right now in profit. About 6-7 minutes in. Looking for a touch back down now to 1069 or 1169. Sorry, seems to be where we're getting a lot of support right now. We're going to also move our stop up into a positive position now. Just 1 tick, but it still guarantees us a little more money in the bank. Moving towards our third target. Seems to be pushing pretty hard. Going to give it another point or two. See if we crash through support here. If we do, we could be looking at a move back to the 68 level and even 1165 5 after that. So we'll give it a few minutes, let it develop, and see where it takes us. We're hitting a little bit of support here in the 69.50 area. 69. Just gonna have to give it a couple more minutes to see. We may touch up around the 1070, 71 area here, and then possibly continue our move down. And if not, if we move back up, we have a positive stop in place, which locks in guaranteed profit. So we've moved down through 69 into 68 area, touch 67.50. Right now our third target's sitting at 67. Depending on how things develop over the next couple minutes, we may move it down even further. So we're going to have some more support in around the 66, 67 level. If we do break through that, we'd be looking at going to 1165 as our next stop, even possibly 63.50. So we'll give it a couple more minutes yet. Keep watching. Correct as we go. Okay, so it's looking like it could continue to the downside. So we're going to move our target right now into the 65 area of support and watch for a breakthrough 67. If we do get the breakthrough 67, we could be looking at 65, even a double bottom around 63, 63.50. If we do not move through the 67 area of support, what we're going to do is bring in our stop to an even more positive position and let it take us out there. Continuing the move down into 67, target in at 65.25. Been in this trade now for about 15 minutes, going on to 20. And if we lock in our third target, that will make this a very profitable trade. I have to do the math on that, but should be in the $500 or $600 area for about, hopefully it'll fill us within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Moving through the 67 area. Looks like we're getting into the support around the 1166 area. What we're going to do is move our stop in a little tighter. 70.25. We're going to lock in 2 points with our stop now, which is an additional $100, guaranteeing this trade now $350. Okay, we're testing back up a little bit. We're expecting it to test up into around the 69 area, and then we look for a decision from there. If it continues through 69, it'll take us out on our stop, which is positive at 2 points, guaranteeing us another $100 on that contract. If the resistance holds, then we continue to the downside. We're looking at a 65 target. We may move it up, however, if it doesn't look like it's going to head there, and take as much profit as we can get out of this move. Couple more minutes. Heading towards our stop. Let's see if the resistance will hold here. Otherwise we'll be out with $350, which is still not a bad trade. Getting very close to our stop. Looks like we may get taken out here in the next few seconds or minutes. If we do, we will have locked in $350 in about a half-hour trade. If it moves back down, hopefully we'll grab a little bit more. And grabbed our stop. So we're out of that trade now. The stop was 2 points positive on our final contract, netting us $350 in roughly 40 minutes in that trade. 350, 40 minutes. Until next time, www.tradingonlinemadeeasy.com.